Hello, and welcome to your hydraulic training presented by STAC Incorporated, the manufacturers of Thermaflow. So let's go over how to change the filter. So you're going to want to change this filter every 300 working hours to every 6 months, whichever one comes sooner. So let's change that filter. You're going to want to pop off the 4 bolts. The cover is going to follow that, then a spring, the element, and underneath that element there is a small O-ring that will need to come off as well. After you've done those steps, let's grab our new element. The new element's going to come with a new spring, a new small O-ring, then a new element. This is a 10 micron absolute filter. Now let's put it back in. It's going to go O-ring, filter element, spring, cover, then the bolts to follow. It's pretty simple. And that's how you're going to want to change your hydraulic filter on your Thermaflow.